Hey guys, thank you so much for joining today. We are going to unbox and open the FABFITFUN Fall 2024 subscription box. You can get this as subscription or quarterly. You can just get one. You can gift one. So many things you can do with this. I particularly like this fall box, so stay tuned. I am going to show you my 6 choices, and I'm also going to show you what you could choose on your own too. Now, I'm going to show you the whole overview here, give you a little spoiler. And just looking at this, there were things I didn't choose that you could put in here, which would actually make a really good gift for a child that's going off to college, or if you have a friend who's moving. I didn't choose any of it, but there's bakeware, there's blankets. So when I opened it up and photographed it, I thought, hey, this is a really good care package if your child is going to college. So think about things like that. On my channel, I have a lot of stuff, and I always talk about getting to the point of overconsumption, one in, one out. And it turns out that FABFITFUN has actually sent me stuff that I really love and I really use. By the way, their summer box is still available. These lace back sunglasses were in the summer box. I like these because they're just low maintenance, and if I sit on them, it's okay. They weren't $700 glasses. I also really love their truffle eye serum cream from Biro, a brand that I would not have discovered. I do use my journal, and I do use some things from the spring box. I love the spring box so much that I bought one for my daughter. We use the dry shampoo all the time. Love my summer hats that I wear everywhere. And also, this was a surprising addition, a salad bowl. Didn't think I needed it so much, but she gets a lot of compliments. So I try to battle the clutter that if one salad bowl comes in, another food container has to go. But this has been super useful in my life. That's the spring box. Like I said, the summer box with the sunnies still available. So check out FABFITFUN, and you can still use my code for the summer box as well, which is Michelle F, and all the details are in the description. So without further ado, I'm going to unbox for you the fall box. The box is always super, super cute. Look at this design. That is such cuteness that they put into the box, even down in there in the box. Okay, so for your first choice, these were my first choice, and I've noticed that it could change based on availability. How this works is you can just get one box and there is a code for just one box, or you can do the annual subscription where you save money if you prepay 4 boxes, and you will get a free gift. And the codes will be down in the description. They have changed it to where you can choose all 6 products. You couldn't do that in the past. So I think this makes it more exciting and more worth it, so you don't feel like, oh, I'm gonna get stuff that I don't use. Now, the first 2 things on this list for choice number 1, it's skincare. Everyone gets skincare, I think. And yeah, sometimes it can be too much. So I have to be just conscious about who can I give it away to if I'm not going to use it. I have plenty of friends who want my free skincare, okay? So I'm not worried there. But the first 2 items is from a brand called Elemis, and it's the Superfood Glow Cleansing Butter, or the Pro Collagen Naked Makeup Melting Cleansing Balm. So I've heard good things about Elemis, but I looked it up and it has essential oils, which is not good for my skin, so I passed. Next was the KitchenAid, either the loaf pan or the cookie bundle set. So I asked my daughter if she wanted to bake, and then I thought, wait, I think I have both of these items. But like I said, if you want to choose this box for if your daughter's going to college, this would be really good. Your daughter or son, either one. Or you can choose a throw blanket, and they have beige or orange. So bakeware, a blanket, that's a great dorm room type of present. Next on the list, well, there's a lot in this one. The Sin Urchin Decorative Glass Bowls, or the Sin Fauna Glass Oil Cruette. Neither one matches my home decor, so I passed. Okay, you would think I would choose the Fourth and Reckless faux suede crescent bag, but I really do not like faux leather bags. They fall apart. So I passed on that. And then GIR set of 3 utensils, ceramic holder, $78 value. So I usually go for what's the highest value, but I just don't need this. I already have it. So what I chose was the Campari Beauty Moisture Whip Ceramide Cream. I'm super careful about what I put on my face to make sure it doesn't have added fragrances. We are still here in the dead of summer, so it is hot, but I see how these types of creams are useful for fall to moisturize and lock the moisture into your skin. I am just gonna give it a little test on my hand to see the product. Ooh, it's really nice, actually, very creamy, and there's no smell at all. So I do hope that this is something my skin agrees with. It's a big jar at 2.1 fluid ounces. So that was my pick number 1. Now choice number 2, here are your choices. Aviator sunglasses, a Radley London jewelry box, another good gift if you're gonna gift your child. So I wanted to give this to my daughter, but she didn't want the jewelry box. I'll show you what she wanted in just a sec. The Puma sling bag, I have enough bags, but I think that's a really cute thing. Another cute like student type of thing. The Dr. Jart Cicapair Intensive Soothing Repair Cream. I would have gotten this because I do like Dr. Jart's products, at least the one that I've tried. And then the other picks are a tumbler in either Rose or Merlot. Look nice, we have enough cups. So what we did choose was the Muck Luck. That's hard to say. So like I said, I would have chosen Dr. Jart for myself, but this was something both my daughter and I can use. And this is perfect because I am staying in San Diego this weekend, and this is the perfect slipper. It's a little thick to travel with, but great to wear like to the hotel lobby, right through the hotel lobby if you're in your room and you have to go downstairs for something, right? And then you're like, which footwear do I throw on? So anyways, they're gonna be tested. Great dorm room type of slipper. So that is choice number 2. Now choice number 3 wasn't much. Gold earrings, silver earrings, or an umbrella. And I cannot wear earrings on my sensitive ears. So I chose the umbrella. This is by the Aloha collection. It's super cute. I didn't know an umbrella could be so cute. Love the wood handle, it feels nice. And it has, I know this is bad luck, but for the video, we're gonna open the umbrella. It has a really cute print. Like, that's a really cute print. Press the button and it closes the umbrella quickly, easy, nice, compact. It's actually really cute. Like I said, I never thought an umbrella was super cute. So I am happy about this. Okay, number 4. Here are the choices. Nude sticks, gel color lip and cheek. It looks like a crayon. Sachajon Heat Protection Hair Cream. I already have a heat protection cream. I should probably use it, seeing that my hair is standing up right there. The Glossier G Suit. It looks like a lip gloss. I have plenty of that. And then a Maryland Shift ring in either gold or silver. I have plenty of rings. So what I chose was the Array Leave-In Mist. My daughter and I go through leave-in conditioner like crazy because we both have long hair. So of course, I haven't heard of this brand and haven't tried it yet, but definitely will be used. Okay, now the next on the list, this is a big list too. So there are static nails, acrylic nails. That takes a lot of time, so I just don't do it. An ingrown hair oil. The brand is number 7 Menopause Skincare Protect and Hydrate Cream with SPF. Laundry detergent strips from Washland. I looked into it. It has fragrance, so I had to say no. Bloom Power Patches Pore Purifying Nose Strips. My nose is good. I'm an esthetician. My pores are clean. And then the Velcro hair rollers, which I don't use. I put heat to my hair because I need to do it quickly. So I did choose another cream. Had no choice really at this point because I didn't need anything else. So this brand is One Kind and it's a Dream Cream Nighttime Moisturizer. So again, fall time, we definitely need a little more protection for our face and body. I don't know if it's face or body. It says Nighttime Moisturizer. Since it's small, I'm assuming it is for your face. So let me squeeze a little bit on to this hand so we can look at the texture. I love skincare. Who doesn't love skincare? So that feels nice, actually. And there's no scent. Okay, it's definitely nice and hydrating. As long as there's no scent and no irritation, we will be using that as well. Probably this one will go in a purse or travel because it's a tube, whereas the jar can stay at home with a little spatula. Okay, next choice. These were the selections. The Aloha collection bag looks like it matches the umbrella, or at least the same khaki color scheme as the umbrella. A woven recovery cold heat wrap. This looks really nice, good for like sore muscles or put on your head if you have a headache. I like to cool it and put it on my eyes if my eyes are tired, but I think I have one of these already. The Tony Moly Plumpkin Tony Moly is so cute. Love their packaging. But because it's a retinol eye cream, I have so much retinol that I haven't even opened, and retinol can also be very irritating for sensitive skin. So like literally I have a pile that's waiting for me. I had to say no. And the Slip Pure Silk Skinny Scrunchies, yeah, look how much hair I have. Those skinny scrunchies will just stretch out and die, so we didn't pick that. And what I picked was the Papier Recipe Journal. And I am a journal girly. I picked the journal in the last box as well. Scribble, Saute, Savor. What I thought was neat about this was that you can journal your recipes. I hardly write down recipes, even recipes that I've gotten from like my aunt and my mom. It's usually all by memory. So this is a good chance to start writing it down. It has breakfast, lunch, snacks, dinner, which I am going to add my own sticky tabs to, so I can find things quicker. But this way I can jot things down and actually give it to my daughter, like say when she goes off to college. So she has a book of mommy's recipes. Isn't that sweet? And also there is a space in the back that's measurements and conversion. Of course, I'm gonna sticky tab this because this is useful all the time when cooking. And then there's stores to support, places to try, tiny little spaces for that. Not sure if I'm gonna use it, but there's plenty of writing room here where you can also like put your ingredients, but make your own notes, write little love notes to your child. However, I think that's sweet and a really great idea. Again, I love journaling. I love writing things down, but I never really thought down to like write things in the kitchen. And with the rising cost of food, I am spending more and more time in the kitchen, and I am finding that some things I didn't make before are really easy to make and really enjoyable, that it gives me like this sense of accomplishment. I'm like really proud of myself that I learned how to make that today, and super cost efficient than going out and blowing your hard-earned money at these restaurants, right? Like inflation is wild right now. Okay, and that's it. That's the last item in the entire box. So again, let me show you. Here's the picture of what I got. And there are ways you can tailor this too if you're not giving it to yourself. Think about gifting. I think I'm particularly thinking about like this gifting to my daughter because of the boxes that I've received and even all the PR packages I received. She's now at a height and age where we can start sharing things like everything: skincare, makeup, slippers, sweatpants. So I think about like, okay, I don't need anything more for myself, but like what can my family use? My Rakuten button just popped up. Activate $20 cash back. Ooh, okay. So if you don't have Rakuten, I'm gonna send you my link for that. It will be in the description because I think we each get like $5 or something if you use it. Then you go into FABFITFUN, how it works. You pick annual or quarterly. Also, if you look on the website, when you subscribe, you can see all the things that you can buy. Their weekly drops that you can buy like way cheaper. One of the things I'm looking at is this Always pan. So it's a nice little discount, but here are the prices. So for an annual subscription, it says $54.99. That means per box. You're going to pay for 4 boxes upfront, and it says here $219.99. If you use my coupon for this, so just click on the link in the description. Actually, the link will automatically apply my discount. If you went there another way, just make sure you use the code. It's MichelleF20 for the annual subscription. And then for the seasonal subscription, you get 20% off your first box, and that code is MichelleF20gift. Either one you choose, just click the link and it will get you there. It will apply my coupon once you use the link. So the price of the paper box is $69.99. You will get 20% off that using my coupon if you have not ordered from FABFITFUN before. Okay, and then one thing they changed is you can customize your entire box, and if there's something that you don't need, so this is important, say you're like, I don't need another cream, but I don't want anything else, then you can swap it for credit. With the credits, you can go back and shop anytime, like these weekly deals. One of the things I've seen before is the Perfect Hair Day. You can get a subscription of it, or you can use your credits for this. So something that my daughter and I use daily. So you can go pick something else, so you don't have to worry about having stuff from a subscription box that you don't need. So it all works out very nicely. If you're to this point of the video, thank you for being a loyal viewer. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you are not. Like the video and comment down below if you have received anything from FABFITFUN or what your favorite product was from this box. Thank you so much for joining. Enjoy the rest of your summer as we transition into fall. My name's Michelle. Talk to you soon. Bye.